Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize the thank you page in WooCommerce. This page is crucial for engaging customers after their purchase. So let's begin by following these few steps together. The first step is to install a customization plugin. And to do that, you have to log in first to your WordPress account. And to do so, just go to WordPress in your web browser and enter the website and enter your account credentials to log in. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your WordPress account dashboard. From here, go to plugins in the left sidebar, right here, and search for custom thank you page. Let's see if it's, yeah, this is the one. You can choose any options from these as long as it does the job. Here you can add custom after upgrading and activating the plugin. You can custom the text, images, or even upsell products. Now you may have to pay for this app for WordPress to get these features right here. As you can see, I didn't pay for WordPress, but if you do, you'll be able to install the plugins easily. Now for the third step is to save and preview changes. Save your changes and place a test order to ensure thank you page looks as intended. And that's it. That's how you customize the thank you page in WooCommerce. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.